Hello everybody, this is Isha with you and I'm working in the high school library. In this video recording today, I'm going to share with you some tips on how you will access your Follett account. Before I begin, I would like to welcome you all in Al Ittihad Private School, Jumeirah, and I'm sure you will enjoy working with us. So let's start this session now. To access your Follett account, first of all, you will go to our school website and the website address is ipsjumeirah.com. And then once you are in our school website, you will see multiple tabs on the home page. You will click on third tab named curriculum. As soon as you select curriculum tab, you will notice a drop down menu, and there you will select library services and then you will select Follett library. Let me click on this link. Once you click on Follett library, it will open up a new page for you which will talk about our library management system, and then on the right hand side you have IPS Follett district link. On this page you will see our branch campuses. We have our branches in Abu Dhabi, Al-Ain, Jumeirah, Mamzar and Chakboot. As we belong to Jumeirah, we have two links here, one for the primary school and second one for secondary school. Now, if you are a teacher or staff member in primary school, you will access your account from first link. And if you are a teacher in secondary, you will access your account from the second link. Once you move on to the next page, you will make sure that you have actually accessed the right location. And just to give you a tip, you will check on the left top, it says Jumeirah Secondary, Al Ittihad Private School, Jumeirah Secondary. On the right top, we have login and we have create account. You don't need to create your account because our IT team will do this job for you and they will share your login credentials with you. So we will click on login. Before I add in my credential and log into my account, I would like to share with you your demo login. Let's take an example that your staff ID number is 1234. If your staff ID is 1234, your Follett ID would be J1001234 and your password is going to be IPSJ1234. Your login credentials are alphanumeric and all letters are capital letters. We have here Follett district link. Can you please make sure that you keep it handy and you don't need to actually write it down from this session. I will send it to you all in separate email. This is just in case our website is under maintenance and you're not able to access Follett district link. In that case, you can just try with this link and you can access your Follett account directly. Let us go back and try to log in now. I'm going to use my credential. Okay, so now we are in our Follett account. Currently you're seeing too many tabs here, but when you access to your Follett account, you are going to see home page, catalog page and my info page. Again, I repeat, you will see home page, catalog page, my info page. First page is going to display you the digital library. We have reading books online for grade 6 to 8. Research databases for grades 6 to 8 and 9 to 12. And then we have journal articles for grades 9 to 12. And some databases we have for statistics for grades 9 to 12. Next tab is Catalog tab. On the left hand side, you're going to see Library Search, Destiny Discover, WebPath Express, and Digital Resources. There will be a separate orientation on Follett library and digital library. So I'm not going through details of each of these options because you will be given detailed training in induction program. And the third tab is My Info. When you click on My Info tab, you're going to see on the left hand side only one option, which is for resource list. So this list you can create your own or you can use the ones that I've saved for you. And through this option, you can share your list with any individual student or with in each class or group of classes. Let me go back to home page, and here we have logout option. When you want to exit from your account, you will click on logout. And with this, I would like to thank you all for watching this video and have a lovely day ahead. Goodbye.